Yamaha has finally ended years of speculation by confirming the arrival of the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9. This new model aims to fill the gap between the discontinued R6 and the high-performance R1, offering a balanced blend of track capability and street usability. Though Yamaha insists the R9 is not a direct replacement for the R6, it is hard to ignore its similarities in spirit. The R9 boasts an 890 cubic centimeter inline-triple engine that produces close to 120 horsepower and around 63 pound-feet of torque at the wheel. This power plant is paired with adjusted fuel mapping and a taller rear sprocket, optimizing it for both thrilling track rides and smooth street cruising. A new lightweight aluminum frame, built through gravity casting, enhances agility. It also features fully adjustable KYB suspension and Brembo Stylema calipers, paired with 320mm discs for improved braking performance. Advanced rider aids include a 9-mode traction control system, 3-mode slide control system, and a 3-mode lift control system, all accessible through a 5-inch full-color TFT display. Set to launch in March 2025 with a competitive price of $12,499, the R9 offers a solid value, especially for those seeking a versatile and dynamic sport bike. Stay tuned for more insights after the first ride review.